Hi friends, let us find some commonly mispronounced words today. Just try once and see if you can make all the 7 answers correct. If you can make 7 on 7, you are superb. 6, excellent. 5, very good. 4, it's okay. Below that, it's not that good. Number 1, church, church, church. Number 2, clock. Not clerk, is clock, clock. Number 3, food, not food, food, food. Number 4, wool, not wool. It is wool, wool. Number 5, father and mother, father and mother. Last but not the least, it is buffet, not buffet, it is buffet. T is silent. It is buffet. Thank you.